Hi, so I'm going to show you how to take apart the top and then how to get to kind of the front from there on one of these old GE Spacemaker washer and dryers. So a lot of the tutorials now are saying things like, okay, you can just take one of these sort of devices that's used for spreading spackle and stuff and just shove them in and push these metal hinges or like locking things, but that doesn't exist on this older model that has a metal inside. So what you have to do, so this one for example is a WSM2420, which means it's 24-inch size, and then the last part probably doesn't make too much of a difference. I think it's the colors and stuff. So basically the way I was able to get this off, and I was able to access what I needed from just removing the top, you basically need to remove these two screws. There's one on either side, and then this panel comes off. Those are going to be Phillips head, just pretty basic ones. And then the part that was bothering me and I couldn't figure out without looking at a service manual was back here, and you're going to have to, you won't be able to see it very easily. There's a screw here and there's a screw here, and those are these like hex size. So they're the same ones that are here, so if you want to test to see if you've got something that can remove it, I was able to just remove the bit from my screwdriver and use the hex end on that, and then basically it's kind of a tight fit, but you can go here and unscrew it. And then once you do that, you can just pull the whole thing forward, and once you get the top off, you can remove the sides and the front if you need to. So once you take the top off, there is a clip on the inside for the kind of the sensor that when the top shuts, so you'll have to unplug that if you want to remove this whole top piece, but that's pretty easy to do. So yeah, hopefully this is helpful if anyone has one of these old models, and let me know.